Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to enable login alerts on your Facebook app in your Android device. Whenever you log in into your Facebook, so you can get one alert. So for this guys, first of all, you need to open the Facebook app on your device. After opening, on the top right side corner, you can see three lines. Just tap on it. From here, you want to open the settings. In the settings, guys, you can get the option password and security. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option check your important security setting. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option turn on login alert. Just tap on it, and here you can get the three option to enable login alert. So first option is this guys, Facebook. So whenever you log in the Facebook, so you can get the notification on your Facebook. So if you want to get the notification on your Facebook Messenger, you can enable second option. If you want to get the text message SMS notification, so on your register mobile number which you have used on your Facebook, you can use third option. These three different option was available to enable login alerts on your Facebook. You can choose your suitable option. That's it. So I am choosing first option. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.